Hi guys, if your low beam headlights won't turn on but the high beams still work, don't panic. This is a common problem and in most of the cases it can be fixed very easily. So first of all, the most common causes of this particular problem is a burned out low beam bulb. So since the low beams and the high beams often use separate filaments and the bulbs, the high beams can still work even when the low beams fail. So in this situation, you just have to simply inspect the bulb for any signs of damage, and if you find any damage, you just have to do nothing but to just simply replace them. Now another possibility is the blown headlight fuse. So many of the vehicles use separate fuse for the low beams and high beams. So you just have to simply check the fuse box and replace any of the blown fuse with one of the same amperage rating. Now a faulty headlight relay can also prevent the low beams from receiving the power. So if the relay fails, the headlights may stop working even though the high beams continue operating normally. Now you can also take a look at the headlight switch. So over the time, the internal contacts can wear out, causing the low beams to stop functioning while other lighting modes still work. So you can just simply take a look at all of these causes and see if your car is now working properly. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.